Every journey has a story, and this one is very special to me. Today, Cuentos About Gala bring us to one of my favorite countries I've ever traveled to, Switzerland, right here at the iconic Matterhorn. There's something about this place that instantly makes you slow down. Standing here, looking at the Matterhorn rise into the sky, you feel a mix of awe, peace, and inspiration. The air is fresh, the views are unreal, and everything feels so calm, yet powerful at the same time. Switzerland has always been close to my heart, from the quiet alpine villages to the snow covered mountains. It's a country that reminds you to appreciate simplicity, beauty, and balance. And the Matterhorn perfectly represents that. Strong, timeless, and standing proud through every season. Being here feels personal. It's one of those places that makes you reflect on how far you've come and how much more there is to explore. This moment is exactly why I travel. Not just to see new places, but to feel connected, inspired, and grateful. This is more than a destination. This is a reminder that the world is wide, dreams are endless, and every journey shapes who we are becoming. I'm Makoy Guego, and this is Cuentos About Gala, where every step leaves a mark and every story stays with you.